Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send a group text message on iOS 18. To send a group text message, go to Messages. Okay. And now click here to create a new message. Then click on a plus. Select a contact, the first contact, then the second one, and add as many as you want. Then send a text message. If they are green, that means they don't use iMessage, and the message will be sent separately to all of them. But if they do use iMessage and they are all blue, then it will create a group chat. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.